Okay, two things. One, my Hidden Woodsmen bag I got came. You literally, you can feel the quality. You can literally feel this quality right here. Now, comes with orange is what's inside of it, like for the color scheme, which I like. It came with a little sticker, which I'm gonna put on my laptop. It came with a card. There's a thing on it. Pretty cool. Comes with a zipper right here and a D. I forgot what this is called. Pretty nice quality, actually. I can put it here, and I know what I'm putting in here. I know exactly what I'm putting in here. Right here, I'll put my water filter thing I have, and all that. The zipper right here is still brand new, so I literally just got this, like literally a few minutes ago from the mail. I gotta say, really, really good quality. I'm feeling the quality in it. Ooh, feels so good. And this, I like too. So, it has, you know, this which you put like first aid items or whatever in, or water purification tablets, etc. So, honestly, nice quality. I like. Even this is nice quality. And the second thing, I bought, well, should I say, I gave the money to a family member to go to Harbor Freight and get me the solar panel kit with the battery and the inverter. And yeah. So that should be, I don't know when they can come up, but when I get it, I will definitely put it out. I will probably put it on the SUV, to be honest. So, yeah. It costs, I don't remember how much the family member said it cost, but honestly, a whole thing with the inverter, the battery, and all that. I just wanted something just to use, nothing like fancy. Just, I don't care if it was the Harbor Freight, brand or not. I see something that would work until I can be able to buy a better battery, a better set of batteries too, and inverter and all this. So yeah. Now, I would recommend this actually. I'm gonna say I recommend you get this because it's nice quality. It's made in the USA. Shop US, buy US. Okay. Because this is nice too. Like, I got this one because I live out in the woods. And it's really nice. I'm like, oh god, where's the bag? Oh hey. That's a nice touch. This is definitely, a nice touch. It seems like it's paracord, I guess. Have a little bit here. A little cordage. Goes a long way. Now, I don't mind these. Like that. I don't mind. I don't complain about the small stuff at all. So, and my god, I know my phone isn't doing this justice at all, but that's nice. It's actually kind of darker than was, it's kind of darker brown. I can tell this is great quality. Because I've heard, the Hidden Woodsmen. You has good stuff. So, and I'm not like by just feeling this, I can tell it's great quality. So anyway, that's the purchase for the month. I'm still waiting on my Jackery and the solar panel and probably the Audio jump sorter. So, anyway, peace.